Coach, disappointing result today. 1-0 loss, but the team showed a lot of effort. Can you tell us how the game panned out for you?
Oh, it's what it is. We come here, we fight, the guys dig in, we told the guys they don't have to fret about anything, just go out there, express themselves, and that's what they do today. Unfortunate, we're unlucky, we didn't get something from the game, but football is like, it is what it is. If you don't take your chance, it's the other way around.
As I said, still not taking chance. You think you guys need to work on something in the final third?
Yes, from season, goal scoring is our biggest downfall. If you notice the game what we play, goal scoring is not a factor to we scoring goals, but we have to take it. We have to build from midfield, get goals where we can get goals, and it didn't work today, but on and all, they get the 3 points and we get none, so we have to go back to the drawing board and dig deep.
All right, Coach. What's next for Vauxhall? How are you guys looking in the group now?
Okay, we have to see what result planned out anyway and if we can grab the best third. But we still in it, but we'll go again and learn from that again, and we have to just brush off ourselves and come again. That's
all right, Coach. Big up, right?
All right.